Hi, I'm John Williams. I'm the co-CEO and CTO of Amplience. Amplience generates, manages, and delivers content for retail and brands. How Amplience differentiates itself against the competitors is that we focus entirely on retail and brands. We focus specifically on commerce, and we do that in scale. So, how Amplience is helping solve the problem around content production is trying to solve the content supply chain. And right now, we're just launching our new product, the Content Factory, which allows the complete automation of a content supply chain with full agentic architecture. And what Amplience have built are agents that are very specific to solving retail problems today. And this allows you to completely automate your content supply chain at scale. And we leverage technology like Bedrock to have access to all of the LLMs. Plus, we use SageMaker for specialist AI implementations. The best thing about using AWS is it gives our customers confidence that they can scale. It allows them to adapt. It allows us to innovate and deliver the latest technology. One of the most exciting use cases that we've done in Amplience is working with a Middle Eastern retailer, where they needed to generate over 20,000 product descriptions in a month. Now, it used to take them 15 days to actually get a product to market. They can now generate 90 product descriptions and titles in a minute in both English and Arabic. That's a 30% increase in time to market.